I've got the SKOOL 36-inch panel clamps. Now these are super helpful for doing wide glue-ups. Let's check them out. The clamping bars are extremely sturdy thanks to the heavy steel construction as well as that U-shaped channel design. You'll notice there's two spring-loaded clamping ends, this active one with the actual clamping mechanism and this passive one that'll go on the other end. So just start by sliding those over the bar. And then bolt the feet in place, and that'll just help to elevate the clamping bar and make this so much easier to use. And then just slide the clamping bar in place, making sure that the active clamp falls down into this single notch. And then the passive end of the clamp can be positioned anywhere along the length of the bar, just depending on the width of the panel you're working on. And even large hardwood panels like this 34-inch wide coffee table become quick and easy with these clamps. Just slide the bars in so the series of notches is on the passive side and that single notch is over on the active side. There we go. So this will work on a panel thickness from 3/4 all the way up to 3 inches thick, and you can tell how quickly and easily that'll align all your boards. That is sure going to make my life a lot easier. On thicker panels, it may be helpful just to center this pad as you tighten things home. So if you need to make wide glue-ups, what you really need are some panel clamps, whether it's for hardwood panels or just fabricating countertops from some MDF. These SKOOL 36-inch panel clamps sure make the job easier.